This is so frustrating. You probably just got this email from Google. Hello, person I'm about to take advantage of. We're contacting you because one or more of your conversion actions are using an attribution model that Google will not be supporting in the near future. First click, linear, time decay, and position-based attribution models in Google Ads, including the Google Ads API, will be going away starting in September. Unless you take further action, we'll upgrade your model to data-driven attribution. Data-driven attribution has improved customer performance and resulted in significant decline in the uses of certain attribution models because we force people to use them, hence the decline. Today, less than 3% of web conversions in Google Ads are attributed using first-click linear, time decay, and position-based models. This is a logical fallacy. It's because you can't attribute them because your attribution is dying, and so you're taking away our ability to control the way that we look at data. Here's the thing. Can I tell you the thing? I believe in data-driven attribution. As a matter of fact, as a rule, we use data-driven attribution, but there are so many use cases. I'll give you all of smart shopping. All of the smart shopping campaigns that we ran before it segued into Performance Max, we would use first click because smart shopping was a customer acquisition mechanism. And then the remarketing happened elsewhere. So you'd want to use first click for any campaign type that you feel is acquisition heavy. Right? Linear, I don't know that I ever really used linear. Used it well. If you did, hit me up in the comments. Time decay is another really good example, I think, of any business and or industry where the value of your customer atrophies over time. Pregnant women, for example. Not to say the value of pregnant women atrophy, just to say that they're getting closer to making all the decisions that you want to assist with helping them make. And so if you're selling stuff to pregnant women, you might want to use something like time decay. Position-based is an interesting fix to the messy middle problem. It's like, look, just tell me what's first, tell me what's last, and we'll sprinkle credit across all of those, which I like. I like knowing that, especially if I've got a really linear sales pipeline and process. I don't have a lot of products. I don't have a lot of services. I'm a business broker, position-based, great. Even if it's not, even if everything I said is wrong, even if I'm an idiot, why shouldn't I have control over the way my data is being viewed and interpreted? It's so violently frustrating that Google would do this to us. And I mean, we've got specific use cases where using modified attribution models improves either the performance of the campaign or the performance of the decision making that I can make in relation to that campaign. So I'm pissed. You should be pissed. We should all be pissed. There's nothing you can do about it. There's nothing you can do about it except start using third-party tools. And I'm not pushing Northbeam specific. I know I'm an investor in Northbeam. I'm a big fan. I think it's the best of all the bad options. So go use Northbeam, but use something. Use Wicked Reports. Use what's the other one? Segmetrics. Conversions.com. I've never used that. Don't use Hyros. But go use third-party attribution tools so that you can still get a sense as to what's working and you have more control over your data, but you can't capture data that you're not measuring. So start now today capturing this data in third-party attribution tools, or you're not going to have it. Period, full stop. I hate that they do this. It pisses me off. I'd love to know how you feel. Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Attribution sucks.
We can prove it. So we actually have I want to set the stage. So it's going to take just a couple minutes, but I want to disprove anybody that might be thinking that there's some tomfoolery about. And so what I wanted to share with you first off is in this account, inside of the conversion action